Ever wondered what it's like to talk to a super intelligent AI? You know, the kind that can write stories, answer your questions, and even help you code? Well, you've probably heard of Gemini, Google's latest and greatest AI breakthrough. But here's the burning question: which version of Gemini is actually free to use? Let's dive in. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly understand what Gemini is all about. Essentially, it's a family of advanced AI models developed by Google. Think of it as a collection of AI brains, each with its own unique strengths and capabilities. Some are designed for complex reasoning and problem-solving, while others excel at creative tasks like writing music or generating images. It's a pretty impressive feat of engineering, to say the least. Okay, now let's talk about the different versions of Gemini. There's Gemini 1.0, which is currently being used in Google's own products like Search and Bard. This version is constantly being refined and improved, and it's likely to power many more Google services in the future. Then there's Gemini Pro, a more powerful and sophisticated model that's designed for demanding tasks like scientific research and complex software development. And finally, we have Gemini Ultra, the most advanced model in the family, boasting incredible capabilities in areas like reasoning, coding, and even understanding and generating different forms of creative content. So, now comes the million-dollar question: which of these powerful AI models can you actually use for free? Well, the good news is that you can access some of Gemini's capabilities through Google's existing products. For example, you can experience the power of Gemini in Google Search, where it can provide you with more comprehensive and informative answers to your queries. And, of course, there's Bard, Google's AI chatbot, which leverages the capabilities of Gemini to engage in conversation, generate creative text formats, and translate languages. Bard is a fantastic example of how you can experience Gemini's power firsthand. You can ask it anything from simple questions like, "What's the weather today?" to more complex ones like, "Write a short story about a robot that falls in love with a human." Bard can even help you with practical tasks like summarizing articles, writing different kinds of creative content, and translating languages. And the best part? It's completely free to use. Now, while you can access some of Gemini's capabilities for free through these products, keep in mind that these are not direct access to the full Gemini models themselves. These products utilize the underlying technology of Gemini to provide specific functionalities. However, it's worth noting that Google may eventually offer more direct access to some of its Gemini models through APIs or other developer tools. This would allow developers to build their own innovative applications and services powered by Gemini's advanced AI capabilities. While these offerings might not be free, they could open up exciting new possibilities for businesses and individuals alike. So, to answer the question directly, which version of Gemini is free? While you can't directly access the full Gemini 1.0, Pro, or Ultra models for free, you can experience the power of Gemini through Google's existing products like Search and Bard. These products offer a glimpse into the incredible potential of this cutting-edge AI technology. I encourage you to explore these products and see for yourself how Gemini can enhance your daily life. Whether you're a curious learner, a creative professional, or simply someone who wants to experience the future of AI, Google's offerings provide a fantastic starting point. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.